onto Canada Street. In a quarter mile, turn right onto Mountain Drive Extension.
Lac du Saint-Sacrement, the Saint Sacrament, which is the largest boat on Lake George, the largest boat of the inland waters of New York State, 190 feet long and 40 feet wide. Her 4 decks can carry 1,200 passengers with dining facilities for about 400. And she's preparing for her 6:30 dinner cruise. St. Alts takes a very nice luncheon cruise at noon each day. Is the longest oldest established women's retreat in the United States. It was founded in 1903 by Spencer Trask and Mary Woolsey Fuller as a summer rest home for women factory workers. And today Weehawken is still open to the public. Somebody on board just said, well, good, that's the way it should be all year long, everywhere.
Major reconstruction. The hull was hauled out of the water, cut in half, as the two halves of the hull were pulled apart.
And we're one of only 5 authentic steamboats left in North America, stern paddling steamboats. So we hope that while you're on board, you'll check out our engine room, see for yourself.
Enjoy a beautiful day on a beautiful lake. Sit back. Oh yes, go inside our whistle. Interesting story. About 3 years ago, the Tiki barge left on a 3-hour cruise. And they've had so much fun, they forgot where they left from. And so they're just roaming the lake, looking for their dock. They have a good time. The boat is fueled by alcohol. And there's Ginger and Marianne and the professor. Certainly having a good time, but they don't know how to get home. We might see them again on a cruise. We're coming over with 2 here. We'll see Shepherd Memorial Park and Beach in his honor. And for many years, this property was owned by a local businessman, Charles R. Wood. Wood owned a number of businesses in the Lake George area, Glennsville area. He's best known for being the founder of a small amusement park called Storytown, USA. It would become the Great Escape. Mr. Wood owned this estate and called it Sun Castle. That's the name they called it the inn. Stages, some are taking off, some are doing the tour, and some are landing. And people look at that and say, let's go parasailing. And they know how much does it cost to ride parasail. Well, parasail rides free of charge. There is no cost to ride the parasail.
Landing costs $80.
Visual water tank, today is 75 degrees.
Great buildings over there. Four Seasons and 600 Sheridan.
They look like from the lakeside. And you'll notice over there, this is where many of the larger private boats of Lake George are moored. Many of those really large boats don't go out much at all in the summertime. The owners have water and sewer and electrical hookups right at the dock, and they stay right there and enjoy a floating summer home on Lake George. And this is